Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 217. As you can see, it was on Google in our Impulse strategy, and this was an out-of-the-money long call butterfly. It's one of the things we've educated our subscribers on, the fact that you can benefit from taking a strategy that's normally designed for range-bound stocks that is placed at the money and make it directional by moving it out of the money, allowing for very low cost, low risk entry. We did 2 contracts and still stayed well below our normal risk profile. The entry was sent out as an alert to our subscribers on May 22nd, and you can see from the chart that we had a stock that was moving to the upside in Google, but at a little bit of resistance here. But the DMI, one of our favorite confirming indicators, was showing that there was strength to this move, meaning that there was likelihood that we were going to break to the upside here. A little bit of concern was the fact that the gap had not been filled yet. That was set there at the end of April. The gap in the middle of April had already been filled, but there was also a gap to be filled to the upside there from the end of February. Again, the DMI giving us comfort or confirmation that the move was likely to be to the upside. So there's an idea of where the strikes were for the expected move to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. And the move to the upside here allowed us to realize better than a 75% gain in just 18 days. So there's that low risk, high potential reward type of a scenario that I was talking about. So if we take a look at the risk graph here on the exit, moved to the upside, broke out of that little ascending triangle that we had at the end of May, moved up, and we're about to fill the gap. That's the price target. Now, if the stock stays sideways or goes a little bit higher over the next couple of weeks, by the nature of a butterfly where you take time decay and neutralize it, a normal enemy of options trading, we could have had a higher return maybe if the stock moves to the upside, but at this point in time, when you can generate better than a 75% gain in such a short period of time, you take it. Another interesting thing is our mark-to-market graph here gives a good illustration of the craziness that's been going on with option prices. This has made it a little bit difficult over the last several months to trade with the volatility, but that makes our performance even that much more remarkable, I think, the profit that we've been able to generate over this time frame. I hope you found that position interesting. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.